Here we go. The frame is nearing completion. We got our risers there. Those are our side pieces. And have one more to put on. And then the the two 4x4s right there and right here. And then here we have that one piece that we need to do there. Not much more to go on the frame. I'm hoping things are coming out reasonably square. I'm doing the best I can with this reclaimed lumber. Sometimes you just have to accept things and compensate in other ways. If I have to, we can level out the mounting casters on both ends. So we'll make sure it's level when we install those, and same at the up here at the top when we have the 4x4s in there.